Hello everyone, it is Erin Floater here, and I am moving from November into December. If you haven't been around all year, I've been transferring back and forth because I love blackout paper and I love whiteout paper. So we'll go ahead and start resetting the month, moving from November to December. So the first thing I want to do is kind of close out November. And to be honest, it is December 5th. So I'm a little late to this, but this weekend was absolutely nuts. My parents were visiting and all that kind of stuff. And we got engaged. So that was really exciting. My ring is getting resized, so no ring to share with you right now. Actually, it's getting rebuilt because it was his grandmother's ring. And it's very sentimental. But because it was very loved for 60 something years, it like prongs need to be redone and things like that. Anyways, so let's go ahead and look at November. So I haven't done a thing to prepare for this, by the way. So I have not looked at my finances at all. Let's go ahead and look at my master task list. As you can see, I kind of fell off with the habits. This month was crazy. So I do need to do that. Okay, so I did not film this month, which kind of stinks. I have to finish up by the end of the year. So I did finish the kit. I did do the patron choice. I did do the digital. I just sent out the email actually for the January theme. I'm going to go ahead and mark it off because I use this to help me reset for December. So I don't need to do that in December. I haven't been doing a December calendars rather, for releases and things like that. I'm really trying to hold back, send subs. And I did do the November sale. There is also a sale in December, by the way. So we haven't gotten all of the items back. Move. This needs to migrate. This needs to migrate. I did not do an inspection. I have to. But again, I'm also in user lose season, so it is really hard once you get into, and this needs to migrate forward. Okay, all these things are going to happen again. I think I did that. The septic, we did. Dishwasher, we did. Dryer clean out, I did. I didn't do the shower place or the shower place, the shower head or the fireplace. So those need to get done. We didn't move rocks. I tried to do the electrical living and that didn't work. The barn door got done. Hey, everyone, the barn door got done. I will finally not be migrating that over. So that's... I mean, honestly, nothing else could have happened this month, but since I did the barn door, I consider that a successful month. I did do morning cardio a lot, but not daily, so I'm going to half mark that off. I bet you I did not work out 30 days. I worked out a bunch. Moving rocks, we didn't do that at all, and I did not do that at all. It was a hard month, and then I just went right into the weeklies, right? So let's go ahead and do a review of the month. I have some paper here since I always use scrap paper. And I will go ahead and forward this on so that way I don't spend a million years doing this. Okay, so that is like the bulk of my setup. So for my November reset, November reset. So I have my goals, which went up one, my fun went down. It's getting into winter. Um, and the fun stuff that I did was this weekend. So that was in December. Um, so work stayed the same, family stayed the same, health went down. I didn't work out as much. My business went up. My finances went down, mostly because it's the holidays. So you're spending a lot of extra money that you don't spend throughout the year, or at least that's how I am. But I'm really proud because I bought absolutely all of my gifts on sale, and I will tell that to everyone because I'm very proud of that. My environment went up mostly because I cleaned ahead of my parents coming here, and then overall stayed the same at 9. So that's what I've got for my level 10 check-in. My goals, you kind of already saw that. I am going to go in after the fact and put how much cardio that I did, like how many days of that, how many workout days. Obviously I didn't move any of the rocks, and I only filmed July, so I still have August through December left to film before the end of the year. So I'll go ahead and put that information here. I don't want to take up too much time because the migration process is really important for me, especially because it's December 5th. So I really need to do that. Currently, okay, let me speed this part up too. Okay, so I filled out the rest of those. Loving having use or lose time. I'm taking a lot of time off at the end of the year. Enjoying clean spaces because I cleaned right before my parents came again. Feeling fulfilled. Anticipating winter. And then I remembered this is like right before my parents came. So family time. Wishing success. I'm not going to talk about what, but success. Reading. All I really read this month is Iron Flame, to be honest. And I'm kind of burnt out reading wise. I'm hoping to like kind of get into it again as like things kind of chill out for the rest of the year. So watching Christmas movies, planning 2024 content. I literally couldn't think of a thing that I was dreading except for winter, which I put last time. But honestly, I'm like good for like the first month. It's really in January when winter hits, I'm like less inclined to be cool with winter. And then playing Taylor Swift and Christmas Pop. And again, I'll do my finances, my little journaling section, and my goals later. So that's that. Now, oh, well, I mean, it's kind of that. I still need it to help me migrate, which I forgot. Okay, so let's go into December. So for December, I am doing my Barbie wolf theme. It's really just, it's Barbie because it's pink. And my dog is a diva, so, and she's a little princess. So, and the font, that's very Barbie. Okay, so I already filled this out. However, I'm not doing grooming with my dogs. If you are not aware, there's a dog respiratory virus going around. It hasn't hit my state, but it is in the neighboring states. So just out of an abundance of caution, especially because people were traveling for the holidays, I'm just going to groom them at home. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this off. I have rescheduled it for January. If we're in the same situation, obviously, I will just keep postponing that. So I'm taking a day off for Christmas, day off. Day off. We had the Rangers game, and I can put my engagement, which again, just so happy. Christmas Eve, New Year's. I don't think there's other stuff that I need to add in here currently. I think that's it. I did try to go in and add early just so that I don't have to try to go into my phone and all that kind of stuff, because that whenever something new comes up, I do put it in my phone. Oh, our friend's wedding. Is that day. Okay. So I think this is good. Tasks. Okay. So this is where I really need to migrate things over. So let me go ahead and speed that part up. Okay, so I have my pages or my tasks set up. So this is my home task, this is my work, this is business related, and this is filming related. I've left a bunch of space for home because I do want to kind of start tackling plans for 2024 and how I'm maintaining the house and what I'm doing. And I do want to make sure I'm maintaining things around the house. One of the difficult things with having a monthly task list is things need to get cleaned constantly, right? A dishwasher needs to get run all the time. Laundry needs to get done all the time. So I want to kind of create routines. I've really struggled with that this year. I also have some goals. Develop a strength training routine. Again, I've kind of fallen off. I wasn't doing strength training for quite a while, and I'm starting it back up again. So I want to make sure that I'm hitting my different areas consistently, because right now I'm just kind of all over the place. So I would like to do a Monday arms, Tuesday legs kind of thing, so I want to develop that routine again. Work out 25 days, have 100% of 2024 filmed, and then set up the 2024 goals action list pages. So I'll give you an example of what that means. If you haven't seen my 2024 goals video. So instead of doing quarterly goals, I am doing goals action plans for each particular goal in 2024. So I want to kind of start thinking about what goals that I want to address in 2024, at least the beginning of 2024. Obviously, those are ongoing action plans. So I want to set up those pages. I have my 3 habits listed here: workout, cardio, and eating well. It is the 5th, so I do have to backfill some of this stuff. And then I do have my first week going on in here, since again, it is the 5th. So that is my migration for November into December. And I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I am really, really excited about some time off. I'm really, really excited about what's to come in 2024. And I will share as much as I can with you. Again, I am taking a social media break in 2024, so I'm really just releasing the monthly Plan With Me videos. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.